Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply remove viruses from your Windows PC without installing any antivirus apps on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and this is going to pump up. Then from the run dialog right here, what you need to do is to type in MRT and then hit on OK. And this is going to pump up, welcome to the Microsoft Windows malicious software remover. So what you need to do is to simply click on next right here, and this is going to pump up. The next thing you need to do is to click on full scan, scan the entire system. Note that this scan can make up to several hours or on some computer. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on next, and Windows is going to scan all the malicious and viruses that you have on your PC, just like what you see right here. Once it's scanned successful, then you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clean up your PC and remove any viruses on your PC without installing any apps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.